My first visit to a coffee shop. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I want to share a simple story about my first visit to a coffee shop alone. To be honest, I was a little nervous. I know, it sounds funny. It's just a coffee shop. But sometimes, small things can make us feel a little uncomfortable. When I walked inside, I looked at the menu. There were so many drinks: espresso, latte, cappuccino, mocha. I stood there for almost 2 minutes, trying to decide what to order. The person behind the counter smiled and asked, "What would you like today?" I looked at the menu one more time and finally said, "I'll have a small latte, please." The barista smiled and said, "Great choice." That immediately made me feel more relaxed. While I was waiting, I looked around the coffee shop. Some people were reading books. Some were working on their laptops. Others were chatting with friends. The atmosphere felt calm and peaceful. A few minutes later, my name was called. I picked up my coffee, found a seat near the window, and took my first sip. It tasted much better than I expected. I sat there for about 30 minutes. No phone, no work, just me, my coffee, and my thoughts. It reminded me that taking a short break is sometimes exactly what we need. Life can become very busy. We're always working, studying, or looking at our phones. But spending a little quiet time with yourself can help you relax. Since that day, I've visited different coffee shops. Each one has its own style, its own music, and its own atmosphere. Now, I actually enjoy trying new places. Who knew that one simple cup of coffee could become a relaxing weekend tradition? So, if you've never gone to a coffee shop by yourself, maybe give it a try. You might enjoy it more than you expect. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this little story. Take care. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Do you take time out of your week to enjoy a quiet moment alone? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English listening practice.